This video is made possible by Envato Elements. Hey everyone, this week I'm going to show you how to make very easy text animation, and by changing a single value, you can create multiple text animations. Also, I will show you how can we save this text animation as a preset so that you can use it multiple times for making more text animation in just one click. This After Effects class is very easy. In case you don't have any After Effects knowledge, you can start it right away. Alright, open After Effects and create a new composition. In case you have not installed the After Effects software yet, you can download it from the link in the description. I am using this 1920 by 1080 resolution. Now go to the tools and select the text tool. I am using this font. You are free to use any font you want. Just click on the screen and start typing your text. Make sure to align your text right into the center so that it will look nice. Now click on this arrow and you will find this animate option. Just click on it and you can choose a bunch of options from here. Right now I am going to focus on only scale. If you are looking for a separate video, please let me know in the comment and I will love to make a separate video on all of these options. Let's go with the scale. Now change the scale value to 0%, and right now I am not able to see any change here. Let's see how can we do it. So open range selector and you will find this offset option. Simply add a keyframe on it and then change the offset value to -100. Then go to the 30 frames position and change the offset value to +100. It will be negative to positive. As you can see, we have this basic animation, but this is not looking right. Let's see how can we fix it. So open this advanced option and you will find this square. Just change the shape to ramp up and it will add this nice looking animation, and this is what we need. Now we just need to add some easy ease in this animation. You can do it by changing the ease high value to a different one. Let's go with the -100 and this is how it looks now. Play with any of the settings and get a different look. Now scroll to the top and you will find this add button. This option is different from the animate. Just click on this add. Go to the property and choose a different property for your text animation. You can always go for the anchor point or the position. Let's go with the anchor point for now. Let me change the first value to 100 and if I check the animation, this is how it looks now. Let's change the value to something else and it has a different look now. Now I'm going to change the first value to 0 and the second value will be around 200. And it will create different type of animation. I am randomly playing with the settings to get a different look, of course, and I think I'm going with this one. Let's change the anchor point value to 0 and scroll back to the top. Again click on this add, go to the property and choose position. As you may know, position have two values, x and y. The first value is x and the second value is y. I am changing the y value to 300 and this is how it looks now. Now if you scroll to the top, you also have this option based on. You can change the value to a different one such as character, words or line. Right now I am using 3 words in this line, so I can go with the words. If you have multiple lines, you can go with the lines. Let's select the words and this is how it looks now. Let's change the value back to the character because I like that one. And I think this animation is looking good. Let's see how can we use this text animation as the preset. So make sure to minimize your layer and now select this animator 1 option. In case you are using multiple animator, make sure to select both of them. But right now I'm using just one, so I'm going to select it. Then go to the animation and you will find this save animation preset here. Just click on it and the After Effects will ask you to save this preset. You can keep any name for this text animation preset. Let me go with the text animation and by default it will save this preset in the user preset folder of your After Effects version. If you want, you can save to a different location and then hit OK. Now if you go into the effects and preset folder, you will find this animation preset. Just open the user presets folder and here you have this text animation preset. Let's see how can we use it. I'm going to delete this animator 1 so that I can remove the animation from this text layer. And now we don't have any animation applied to this layer. Now make sure you are at the first frame and then double click on this text animation and it will apply the text animation to it. See how easy it is. Now you can create multiple text animation preset by using this method. I have already made many of the text animation presets which you can download from the link in the description. They are absolutely free. You can use them in your projects. So I think this is for today and thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck and peace. Design better project faster with Envato Elements. Unlimited download After Effects templates, logo intro music, background music, sound effects, and more. Visit the first link in the description and start downloading today. Deliver better video faster with Envato Elements.